Hey, how you doing? I'm Louie Gamino with EnviroscapeLA. We're here at another project of ours in Los Angeles, and this project is pretty unique. Unique for a lot of individuals, but we do so many of these where they're kind of same thing over and over again. We're encouraging pollinator gardens, food forests, and this is another project where we're utilizing just that. So we did most of the plantings already. If you notice in this back area here, we have this huge void of area, and you see these trunks that are cut up, split down the middle. This is a eucalyptus tree that was cut down a couple weeks ago. We went ahead and harvested it. We wanted to reuse these guys, so we're reusing them as retaining. So the soil level where I'm standing is going to be built up. We got to retain that soil from going over to the sides there. So you may be wondering, well, what's going on here in the middle? Well, where I'm standing here, we're getting the inner workings, the sculpting, so to speak, of a water feature. So we're going to have a water feature, a nice natural waterfall coming off this way. It's going to divide into maybe a couple different waterfalls into a body of water down here at the bottom. There is another viewing area on that location to the side over there, where they come out and they enjoy their dinners and so on and so forth. So we're going to do an additional waterfall just right here coming down in the body of water as well. We're utilizing the OASIS system here. We do have a pressure filter with a built-in UV that we're going to go ahead and plumb once the timing is correct. And then we're going to get the 45mm EPDM liner in here, as well as a skimmer box. We don't always use skimmer boxes, but in situations where we do have liquid amber like this guy that's going to be dropping leaves, it is important to keep all those organics and nutrients out of the water so we don't get things like excessive algae blooms, so on and so forth. So it's starting to take shape. We're doing the sculpting now. We'll do another video as it continues to progress. Just another pollinator garden with a water feature made by EnviroscapeLA.